my goodness. That was... I surprise myself sometimes, man. Oh my god. I can't believe I did it. Okay.
Merry Christmas to me, baby.
Yet another gorgeous day. Nice. It's a little chilly, but not bad, not bad. Come on, you better make this light, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Could have made that, man. I'm just gonna have to butt in front of you. If you're gonna be a bussy. Pussy! What are you doing? Holding up traffic like that? What are you doing? Man, it was so funny. When I was, I got off my bike and going to the Starbucks, this lady came up to me. She's like, "Where's that bike? I want to see you on it." I was like, "Oh, hey, good morning to you too." Well, that is a nice ride. Nice Mercedes. Real nice. Full-matic 5, or is that 555D? Nice ride, man. Nice ride. Very nice. It's like, what'd you say? I'm like, hey, you got a nice ride, man. Don't shoot me. It seemed like he was a genuine thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. That's right. I got a nice ride. Oh, get over, buddy. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Fuck. Come on. Motherfucker, shit. I'm doing so much illegal shit today. Sorry. Sorry. So much illegal shit. That was bad for me, man. That was bad even for me. Oh my goodness. That was... I surprise myself sometimes, man. Oh my god. I can't believe I did it. Okay. Now where I need to go, Oh, I know where I'm going now. Yes. This way, yes. Good. Yes. Let me through. You in the bike lane, motherfucker. Thank you. Right on green, I know you can do that. Oh, yes. Don't get distracted. Jogo 101, don't get distracted. Oh, I'm distracted. My favorite spot. I love free parking, and I love free parking that is all covered up. Okay, this guy's locked. It's no bueno. Okay, that's good. That's pretty good. Woo! Okay. That's how you do it, people. Bike parking. Yes. And there's my tank grips. My tank grips. Should have gotten black, but whatever. Whatevers. But dang, oh man, I like them. I like them already. Makes the ride so much better. Okay. Peace, brothers. Peace, brothers. Looks. Hello.
GoPro, I see you.
Yep, yep. Interesting, interesting. Not so much approved. Sorry, didn't make the cut. Frickin' bird poop pooped on my frickin' new tank pads. Look at that. Look at all that bird poop. Nice music. I got in front of her. This is Connecticut. There we go. I left that prissy little Land Rover. Left her in the dust. Land Rover probably cost what, 60, 70, 80,000 dollars, and she's stuck in traffic. That is the lovely thing about DC. They got these side parking shoulder. That shoulder is enough to go straight through DC. Now I really gotta watch it because they got some cameras down here too. Photo enforced. Fuck your photos enforced, man. Goodness. There's one. Hello. Hi. She's like, why are you waving to me? Because I want to, okay? Because I want to. None other than that. Photo enforced. There you are. Oh, fuck you. There you are again. Boom. Bazooka. I shoot you. I think they gave me the thumbs up. There you go. Have a good one. You have to check me out.
I saw him riding close to you. I'm like, what are you doing? He's on a motorcycle.
Have a good day. I did it! Success! Woo! So slow traffic, so slow. Speed limit slow too. That sucks. I love my tank grips, man. They're nice. I love them. It's more comfortable now. It's more comfortable. Oh, R6. What? What? Friendly people of DC. Okay. I think We're here. Yes, I approve. I approve again.